Funeral Services Website Template with Divi. 2 exceptional funeral services website templates using Divi. We'll explore a premium option and a robust free template to help you create a comforting online presence. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Let's begin with the first template available in the Divi marketplace. Priced at just $9, this is an affordable option if it fits your needs. Now, let's click on the live demo to explore its features. The journey begins with a compelling hero section, designed as an elegant welcome, offering peace and respect for the services catered. Next, the About Us section provides space for a heartwarming narrative of your history and mission, connecting with your audience on a personal level. In the Why Choose Us section, highlight your unique strengths and compassion, guiding families toward trusting your services during their time of need. Meet the compassionate faces behind your services in the Our Team section, fostering trust and familiarity through professional profiles. The Contact Us section is equipped with an easy-to-use form, ensuring your clients can reach out seamlessly during crucial moments. The footer ties everything together with navigational menus, social media links, and essential contact information, effectively encapsulating your online presence. Now, let's explore the free template option available through the Divi theme. Once downloaded and installed, you have access to this inclusive layout. Starting with an elegant hero section, this template invites visitors with a sense of calm and assurance. The About Us section enables you to share your unique story and compassionate mission in a heartfelt manner. Highlight the range of your services in the Our Services section, providing clarity and comfort to those seeking support. Visitors can find timely information in the Current Obituaries section, assisting them during their period of remembrance. Lastly, the Grief and Healing Support section demonstrates your dedication to comprehensive care, offering valuable resources for emotional support. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.